Again, if I were doing this problem, it would just be, I just look at it and say, gee, I'm going to give it a try, including if I fail trying. So I'm going to say, it doesn't look that bad. I'm going to say 4x and 7x. I like to keep the numbers small at first. They may not be right, though. And then it's got to be 2m and m. And I couldn't put the 2m with the 4. I just couldn't do it because then it would have been a common factor, and there's not. So I'll do this over here. Now I'm looking at signs, which makes it more difficult, but anyway, I get 28x squared, and I get 2m squared in the end. I'm not looking at signs yet. Now I get to look at signs, and it looks like this over here. By the way, the fact that it looks like that doesn't mean it's right. So 4x times 7x, 28x squared, this worked beautifully. And then do you get minus 2m squared in the end? Yes. It's the middle guy that we struggle with. And what do you get over there? You're going to get minus 8xm plus 7xm, which is going to be minus perfect. We got it. All right? So this is the correct factorization. All right. So we've gone through a number of these things over here already, including ones with letters in it. And we were able to get the quadratic formula to produce the roots. So I'm going to make an assumption now that you're able to find these roots over here using the quadratic formula. If not, you go back to prior problems, and there's video support on how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'll say x1 is minus m over 4. I'm going to say x2 is going to be 2m over 7. If you know the roots, you know the factors. And the factors are going to be x plus m over 4. And the other one's going to be x minus 2m over 7. But I need to get that leading coefficient of a 28. So I can put a 28 in front. Whoops, not 24, 28. This is a fine answer. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm going to simplify it. What am I going to do? Borrow a 4 from the 28 and associate it with the first factor. And that would be 4x plus m. Now, if you borrowed a 4 from 28, you have a 7 left over. And I'm going to associate it with the second factor, 7x minus 2m. Are we getting the same answers? 4x plus m, 4x plus m, 7x minus 2m, 4x plus m, 7x minus 2m, and we're also getting this one over here, right? All of them are fine by me. They have a box on it. They're all good to go. Thank you.